What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's a buddy Technoboy, and today I'm gonna unbox and check this Moto G84. It's a 5G phone, and the price for this phone is around 17,000. You get offers on credit cards, different banks like that. So that's a brown box, and at the back here you can see ultra vivid POLED display. So this thing has POLED display. As you know, the P stands for the plastic OLED display. So here high-res audio, wireless and all, and the box is already open. As you know, the Flipkart nowadays having the open box delivery to check the product if you are getting the right product or no at your doorstep by the delivery boy. So that's it, and here you can see year of manufacturing March 2024, and the price here mentioned is 22,999, but it's around 17,000 on Flipkart. So let's open the box. That's the mobile phone, and it comes with a silicone back cover. Here you can see that's the marshmallow blue color, which is the nice one. You get two different colors like midnight blue and dark red, that kind of color. But I like this color, so that's it. Now keep it aside. Let's check the box. Some user manuals and all. The SIM tray ejection tools. That's the Type A to Type C charging cord, and that's the adapter. Let's see how much it provides. It's a 33-watt charger. You know, nowadays Motorola is giving so much features in a budget-friendly phones like this one, and they weigh very less, like 160 or 160 to 170 gram, like that, and also very thin phone. And the back side is like vegan leather, which is very nice, and at the middle you get the shiny metal Moto logo. And the camera setup here, this thing is metal, like aluminum I guess, and the design here looks very good. And you get the 50 MP OIS and 8 MP depth and wide angle sensor, and that's a LED light, flashlight. So right side you get the power button, and above that a volume rocker button, and at the bottom you get 3.5 mm socket, Type C charging port, speaker, microphone port, and at the top also you get one speaker right there, and here you can see the branding Dolby Atmos at the top. So let's remove this thing, and let's boot it up. So the setup is done. Now let's check the camera. And this is a 8GB and 256GB variant, and also this thing has 144 Hz of refresh rate, so it's very smooth. And later I'm going to do the gaming and all camera test. So that's all for now. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.